If you want to connect your Namecheap domain to InfinityFree hosting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can point your domain to your free hosting account without confusion. We'll add the domain in InfinityFree, copy the correct name servers, update them in Namecheap, and then wait for the DNS changes to go live. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your InfinityFree account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open your hosting account. This is where you manage your website files, domains, and hosting settings. After that, look for the option that says Add Domain and click it. InfinityFree gives you a few domain options, but for this tutorial, we want to choose Add Custom Domain. Now, enter your Namecheap domain name exactly as you registered it. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small spelling mistake can cause the setup to fail. If you already have a website folder or a subdomain set up and you want this new domain to use the same site, then under Directory, you can select Alias of your subdomain. This is useful if you want the custom domain to point to an existing website instead of creating a brand new separate folder. Once everything looks good, click Verify Domain. InfinityFree will check the domain setup and then show you important DNS information. At this stage, you should see two InfinityFree name servers listed. These name servers are what you'll need to update inside your Namecheap account, so keep this page open or copy them somewhere safe. Next, open a new tab and log in to your Namecheap account. After signing in, go to Domain List. Find the domain you want to connect, then click Manage next to it. This opens your domain settings. Scroll down until you find the Name Servers section. By default, Namecheap often uses its own DNS, but for this setup, you need to switch it to Custom DNS. After selecting Custom DNS, enter the first InfinityFree name server into Nameserver 1, then enter the second InfinityFree name server into Nameserver 2. Double check both entries carefully because the domain will only connect correctly if the name servers match exactly what InfinityFree gave you. When you're done, click the Save button or the checkmark icon to apply the changes. Now the name server update has been sent, but it won't work instantly for everyone. DNS changes need time to propagate across the internet. Depending on your domain and the network, this can take a few minutes, a few hours, or sometimes longer. So if you don't see the domain connected right away, don't worry, that's completely normal. Once you've saved the name servers in Namecheap, go back to InfinityFree and click Add Domain again if needed, or refresh the page to check the status. InfinityFree will detect the DNS update once it has propagated, and your domain should begin pointing to your hosting account. If it still shows as pending, give it more time and check again later. And that's it. You've now connected your Namecheap domain to InfinityFree hosting. You added the custom domain in InfinityFree, copied the correct name servers, updated them in Namecheap, and waited for DNS propagation. If you want more tutorials like this, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.